Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. What's your name, please?
My name is Kazi Nafisa Sanjana.
Sanjana, where are you from?
I'm from Dhanmandi.
Okay, how is the place Lalmatia for living?
It's a good place for living. It's pretty in the expensive side. However, I have been living in Dhanmandi from the last 12 years and I just love the place. I love the neighborhood as well.
Okay, why do you love Lalmatia area?
As I have just mentioned that I have been living in Dhanmandi for the last 12 years, it's like, it's what I call home, and that is why I love Dhanmandi area.
Okay. So do you like summer?
I think summer is one of the best times of the year, and yes, I like summer.
Is summer your favorite time of the year?
Yes, as I have mentioned, summer is one of the best times of the year, and it's one of my favorite because I get to eat a lot of mangoes.